Hello, freshly and crispy baked chartered accountants. This is CA Vaibhav Jain, and in this session we are welcoming CA Laksh Jain, who was just short by 5 number to get All India rank. एंड लक्ष्य मुझे एक चीज भी याद है तुम्हारे बारे में. तुम्हारा जो आर्टिकल छपा था न्यूज़पेपर में, लक्ष्य ने भेदा लक्ष्य इन दैनिक विस्तार इन दैनिक भास्कर. इट वाज सो ग्रेट यार. तो लक्ष्य, आई वुड लाइक यू टू प्लीज एड ऑन टू योर इंट्रो.
Well, hello guys. And first of all, thank you so much for this lovely interview. I would be honored if अगर मेरे experiences किसी के भी काम आएंगे. Although I have many experiences, I have many learnings जो मैंने अपने पूरे 5 years में सीखी है, and particularly last के 6-7 months में सीखी है. I thought मेरे पास ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसमें मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि हाँ, अगर मैंने कोई चीज differently किया होता तो आज शायद differently होता. But moving into the session, yes, I feel
Okay.
welcome and honored.
Let me also give my interview, as I have just passed in July 21 attempt, and I am totally rookie to the job industry. So I have collected some questions on behalf of our viewers. So I will be asking the questions. Laksh, do me a favor. I will be asking a stupid questions also. So please don't laugh at that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, guys.
We
So
have all gone into that phase.
okay, yeah. Without wasting any time, so let's jump into it.
Yep.
As I said, I'm totally unaware of campus placement. So let me bring the first question, that is, what is the initial things which we have to do to sit in the campus placement? Means that procedural parts, what are the formalities which have to be completed in that? So
Oh,
I also want our viewers to please take the note of these things, because it would be good for you. And I want you to make it in a flow chart, that this is a step, this is a step, like these, how many steps you have to do, we have to do to reach our goal.
okay. So while starting the campus placement, I think जब results आते हैं तो campus placement की जो date announcement है वो around 1 week or 2 weeks में हो जाती है, तो जो शायद हो चुकी होगी अभी तक आपके.
18th of
Uh,
September to 27th September.
exactly. So in that you have to just fill a form and submit a fees to ICI regarding that you are extending your candidature to sit in the campus placement. So while in the campus placement, there are two stages. First stage is where you play a gamble to select where you are sitting from, right? There are big centers and of course there are small centers. So in big centers, you have to choose one big center and you have to choose one small center. So in big centers, I think we have Delhi, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, and Jaipur, and one more, which I'm just forgetting right now. And small centers, we have various centers like Indore, we have Kanpur, we have etc. So you have to choose one big center and one small center while you are filling the form for the interview for the campus placement. So in the campus placement form, you have to highlight each and everything, and that is the very important thing. In campus, in the form, there is nothing known as drop down list, so you don't have to anything select from, you just have to type.
Okay.
So the basic question that will arise is you have to use those words which you think might captivate the interviewer while filtering out your application. So that is the most important thing while you are filling up the form. So in the form, it will ask you about your work experience. It will ask you what are the areas that you have worked into. It will ask you what are the special things apart from your articleship that you have done. And it will also ask you any additional work experience or license or certifications if you have. So it will be better if in this 1 month you start with your additional certifications thing, like add on to your skills, add on to your you can say character, and just tell, even if you have done one session of Toastmaster or any recognized clubs, you have to mention that, right?
Okay.
Secondly, just write each and everything about your articleship, about your experience in a very concise form. Don't use hyperbolic languages. Don't use very you can say very Garoon type languages that an interviewer while filtering out your application might not search it.
Means
So that is the
you are saying that you need not to exaggerate anything,
exactly. Don't exaggerate.
and they may grade
Start
you upon any line. I think so.
Exactly. They may actually
That would
the
backfire you
correct.
on it.
Exactly. And secondly, the very important thing is in the campus placement form, there is an option that you have to write attempts, right?
Okay.
So in IPCC and CA final also, if you have various attempts, you have to mention that. And the one thing that need to keep in mind is, I think if you have cleared
Lakshya,
your,
we will come to that point afterwards. Let me brief
okay,
your
sure.
thing. First of all, we have to do the formalities, that is within 27th of September. We have to file the campus placement registration form. Thereafter, the companies will be calling us. Is it so? Or we have to apply for the companies, and how many companies can we apply for? And what is the
No,
procedure
no.
after? Okay.
Once you file up the form, once you file up the form, there is a next state in which there's a shortlisting round, right? So the companies will be shortlisting you first. So there are n number of companies that can shortlist you, but apart in those n number of companies, you can only select 4 of them to get
Okay.
to sit on the interview in. So in our campus, it was like we had a virtual campus, so we don't have to go anywhere,
Oh,
right?
I
So
think it is
even
a
if I
great
select,
opportunity nowadays to be
yes,
virtual.
it was great and it was awesome because it was very structured. I think the main drawback of campus was, as we have heard from our seniors, was that even if 2 companies or 4 companies that were selected, they might schedule an interview at the same time. But in our virtual interview, there was one coordinator assigned to each and every company. So in the morning itself, at around 7:30, they would provide a tentative list of the schedules that yes, this person is being scheduled at 1:30 to 1:45. So the company had to take our interview in that schedule only. So there was no overlapping of interview. Although I
Okay.
had one overlap, although I
Okay.
had one overlap between the 2 companies. And so yes, I think the virtual interviews are they are awesome. You don't have to
Okay.
budge
Okay.
from anywhere.
So, can you tell the further steps that after being shortlisted, what kind of test do they keep, like GD or written test first or GD first? Thereafter, being filtered, you will be asked for PI or like this. Means I want a flow chart kind
Okay.
of on the, we can count on the tips.
So I think it would be better if I tell you my experiences in that. I have been selected for 8 companies. It was 9 companies, I guess.
Okay.
And in those 9 companies, I have selected 4.
Okay. Can you tell the
So if
name?
I Yes, I think I remember most of them. First was HCL Technologies. Second was Vedanta. Third
Okay.
was uh, third was BA Continuum. That's Bank of America. Fourth was Barclays. Fifth was Hero Corp.
Fifth,
Sixth was
how come
EY.
you were allowed to select only four of them, na?
No, I was allowed to, but I was shortlisted.
Acha,
I
okay,
was
you are
shortlisted for 8 to 9 companies,
okay.
and
Okay.
I selected 4 of them.
Hmm.
I selected 4 of them. Was Hero Corp was my first preference. Second, Vedanta. Third was HCL Technologies, and fourth was BA Continuum, Bank of America.
Okay, you have totally selected totally different areas, huh?
Yes,
Industries.
I've selected all 4 of them. Two of
Okay.
manufacturing
Two of
industries
manufacturing.
and 2 of finance and regulatory reporting
And in
industries.
manufacturing also totally different. One is of ores,
Yes,
minerals,
one is
and
of,
one is
yes,
of vehicles.
car. Yes.
Okay, that's
So
great.
yes, I think as a fresher, we should not be biased in what we are going, first of all. And if we don't have anything in the back of my mind, like for example, if I have done my articleship in only finance sector and I wanted to go in investment banking only, then there is no point of sitting in campus, because in campus there was no company who was offering investment banking. So
Okay.
so that is the
Like
thing, you
Goldman
have
Sachs,
to
JP
select your
Morgan.
they
Okay.
they have not selected JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. They were all hiring for off-campus interviews.
Okay.
So there was nothing. So you have to make your
No, means
preferences first.
I thought of like I want to go in a IT industry, I want to go in a vehicle industry. You did not have thought like that. Means you just applied
No,
in
no, I
different
don't have
folks.
that.
Okay. We can apply.
Exactly.
Okay.
Matlab, we can apply, of course, depending upon your preferences, because as a fresher you don't know what you're going into. First thing. Second thing is the only that you have 1 year of probation and training to rectify your mistake. right?
Okay.
So even if you land up in a very bad company, or even if you land up in an environment which is not suiting you, you can just move out because no one is stopping you. You are just in a training or probation period.
Okay.
So that is the main advantage of campus, because you get a very good start. You
Hmm.
get to choose from the best of the world. And this third, you get to choose in a very easy manner. Matlab, these companies would not choose you in an off campus interview. Vedanta does not hire literally for this level. And Hiromoto Corp also, Hiromoto Corp takes all his employees from his campus only. So that is the thing. These companies are either niche companies, so they hire from campus. You get the best of both of the worlds.
Okay. So thereafter, what about after being shortlisted?
Okay, so I think I've shortlisted these four companies, and it was like that the two companies, Hiromoto Corp and Vedanta, they were the highest package giving companies, right? So their interviews were scheduled on the first day of the campus,
Hmm.
and in the second day of the campus, BA Continuum and HCL Technologies have scheduled their interviews,
I think
right?
one more thing to be noted over here, that in the chronology order, they are also degrading their CTC. Is it so?
Yep,
Like
yep,
first, the
yep.
second day they are offering 12 plus, then 9 plus, then 7 plus, like
No,
that.
the actually the CTCs has been fixed by the company that we are offering 12.
But
So
they come in
according to
the
us,
early
according
stages. Okay.
exactly according to a CTC, ICI classifies them on first, second, third day, and because first day is a
Okay.
premier day of ICI, so
Creamy,
premier day
creamy
pe
layer.
you, yep, exactly. So you have
Okay.
a very good chunk of companies coming on first day.
And the
So it
competition would
was
be also tough, obvious.
exactly, it was very tough. It was like phone calls around, and you can say from morning to evening, we have been calling each and everybody, all our ranker friends, all our non-ranker friends, all our friends,
Mhm.
and their preferences, what you have selected, what you have not selected, what company have you got, what you choiced for, and etc. It was like
So
a
many
whole
questions, yeah.
hackneyed
So many
days.
questions, really. We will
Exactly.
be
So I
sorting out
thought
these. Hmm. So
exactly.
thereafter, what about that? After entering into these, what about
So
next step?
after entering into these companies, two companies, I think on the first day, they have conducted a group discussion round. So it was like Hero Motocorp
Hmm.
and Vedanta. They have all first selected candidates on the basis of group discussion, and then thereafter they have selected on the basis of interview. So interview is fixed. Interview has to happen on a scheduled premiere day. But
Okay.
before that, in these time, once you select your companies, to the time the interview is scheduled, this time is for the virtual interviews, this time is for the group discussion, and you can say
Means
the
suppose
examination
if we
part.
have 100 people who were shortlisted for your Vedanta Limited, then they will be keeping GD to filter out of 100. Might be they are keeping
Exactly,
50. Then thereafter written test. Then again they will be filtering and coming to 20. Then PI will
yep,
be happening of those 20, and out of that
exactly,
it will
on
be
the
number.
premiere day. So even if you have
Okay.
selected four companies,
So
even
any
if
other
you
kind,
have selected,
any other test which they do keep, like GD is done, out of that 50 are left, then written test is done, then 30 or 20 are left, then is there any step in between?
no, I think there was no written test in mine. There was written
Okay.
test in TCS, I have heard.
Okay.
But in that there was only written test, there was no group discussion. So
Okay.
in virtual rounds you had an advantage that the companies has to do all the formalities of written test and selections in the meantime only, and which is very less time. It's just a span of
Okay.
15 days. So
And
in
one more
15 days
thing,
you
one stupid thing is that suppose if they're giving the question paper to you, so you may have the opportunity of cheating it, like, because you are
well, we
giving.
might have, yes, we
Okay.
might we
Because
might
it is all
have.
virtual now, that's why.
Yes, it's all virtual, and it was a it was like we we would have also discovered new ways of cheating every day for every
Obviously,
type
yeah.
of questions. So that is the thing, we have become pro in that.
Okay.
So
I'll be
I
asking
think
that
it,
pro tips later on.
sure. So I think
So
that
I
is,
think I can brief you in that GD or written test.
yep.
After being filtered, you will be going through PI, personal interview, and that is the final stage, I think. So
Yes, that is the
I
final
think
stage.
there are three stages.
There are three stages. And
Okay.
in the PI also, actually, now the thing is that the virtual campus was so unique in a manner that even if like the offline campus, what used to happen was you will go to a particular place, you will stay there for 6 to 7 days because the company has bifurcated all its round in those 7 days only.
Okay, so
Right.
you have to
So
be
in
there actually.
so yes, so in the first day itself, while you are going for a PI in another room, there is a group discussion running in another room. So
Okay.
in the HR will tell you that the selected candidates, please go to this room, or you have your interview connected in this room. So it was like a very hectic process. But in virtual rounds, it was like an ease because we have to sit at our home, we have to give a group discussion on a particular
Yeah,
day, and
obviously.
the PI is fixed, right? It has to happen on a first day.
Yes,
So
yes.
I think that is the main thing. So if you are comparing the offline campus with virtual campus, you cannot, because
So
in
let's move inside these stages. What do you think? What are
yeah.
the questions which are being asked in GD?
So before that, before the group discussion, I think one company which I need to admire is
Okay.
for Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp also scheduled you can say a presentation to brief about the company and the work that you're going to do before the group discussion round itself.
Hmm.
So I think that is a very professional of Hero MotoCorp for doing that, because it has already created a vibe and a culture of competition between the candidates who are fighting for Hero MotoCorp. So I think that is the I think highlight of Hero. So in the group discussion round, as I can say, the topic was farm laws of mine.
Farm
So
laws. Hmm.
farm laws. So I think while we are sitting for the interview, this was the topic which was very current at that time, because there were farmers protest all around the country.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can always expect a question which is current, and you cannot skip this topic. You cannot be like that you are not know everything about it or oblivious about this topic. So I
So
think we have
basically,
prepared well.
we have to be aware of the current affairs and like that. There are
Exactly.
chances, high chances to be asked of.
Exactly. So what we have done is, in the next 1 month, in the previous 1 month before the group discussion, we have made groups in WhatsApp, like all the past groups, all the November 19 pass out groups, or the November 20 pass out groups, or February 20 pass out groups. All the students who are waiting for the interview, who are waiting for campus placement, we have all made groups for each other. We have conducted small groups and Zoom meetings in the morning, in the evening, and in the afternoon also. Now we have prepared each other for the each other's strength areas. Like, I was preparing other people for the technical rounds because I know my technical subjects were very sound.
Hmm.
But I had a doubt in my group discussion and you can say interview skills. So the other person who was from Toastmasters Club and who had got very good debating skills and articulation skills had taught me how to be how to be in a group discussion, how to present himself, and etc. So I think that 1 month rigorous exercise had prepared us with all the current affairs topic, because in every day we used to prepare for one topic, and
So basically, it is
every
not a
day
piece
we
of cake to just.
yes, it's not a piece of cake. Yes, you have to be very current, and it was like that in the everything that they were asked in group discussion and personal interview, we have all covered in the previous 1 month itself. It was that efficient. It was that 1 month. So
Okay.
I think yes, the first thing that all the young aspirants who are aspiring for campus placement is, make a small groups, make a small chunks of group who are sound in each and everything, and help yourself, help each other in preparing for technical interview, or you can say group discussions. Prepare for the topics which are current, prepare and write the write-ups, and say it on the next front day in the Zoom meetings, because Zoom is free.
I think you have to be technically sound on your core subjects which you are focusing for,
Exactly.
like accounts, taxation, whichever firm you want, whichever entities you want to get in. Second thing is be aware of the all current things, news, current
Yes,
affairs, all kind of things. They may
most of
ask
the
you
current things.
most of the current
Yes,
things,
most of the current things.
which might connect you.
Yep,
Okay,
exactly.
and any other thing, third thing, like
And
obviously
I
your
think start
personality.
Yes, your personality. You have to groom
communication
your
skills.
personality. And what you can do is in this 1 month, don't stop giving interview. Don't rely on campus. Campus is gamble. I'm telling you, it's just a gamble. What you might end up, what you might choose, might be
Hmm.
totally different what you thought for. So that is the thing. There's a very clear demarcation. Always rely on yourself. That whatever company might choose you, you will make it. Just believe in yourself and don't stop offline things like you, like all the big fours, all the JP Morgan and all the investment banks, all the banking companies, they hire literally, they hire offline. Start
Okay.
giving those interviews. Start giving, they'll make you technically sound, they'll make you how a proper interview is like. So
So
I
rather, I will
think
say the campus placement is not the only place to be placed.
yes, yes, it is
Okay.
not the end,
I
it's
think
means
I
to an
think
end.
if we have around 100 people, so most of them are being placed to that. If we take it on a number, I kindly 40 people would be placed from campus placement, and I think 60 of them are being placed through offline.
Yes,
Like
exactly.
LinkedIn, you
Means
have to be focusing on LinkedIn also, networking on LinkedIn,
post
try to
post
connect to
something
people.
every day. Post
Okay.
something every day. Start recognizing yourself. Start like do post of do post for which people start recognizing you, so that
Okay.
when you reach out to them for a job, they might not ignore your message. So I think that is the
Okay.
main thing. And I think the
Okay. So, Laksh, can you please summarize your campus placement wholesome in a nutshell?
yes, sure. So I think the 5 tips which the students can follow is: first, while writing your resume, always write relevant things.
Okay.
Okay, so and the work experience that you have not done, please just go through it. There's nothing कि आपने कुछ किया नहीं है तो वो डाल दो. बस write what you have done, what you can speak for in a very confident manner.
Okay.
Second is always read about a particular company while going for the interview. Like
Okay. So
in
you
Hero
have to do
MotoCorp,
research about the company mission, vision,
exactly.
who are
In
their
Hero
CEO,
MotoCorp, they have
co-founders,
asked
founders.
me. Yes, in Hero MotoCorp, while in the last round, they have asked me one a very, I think that was a very good question. For
Hmm.
they have said, you have read all our reports, you have read all our annual report, the entire annual report. What is the thing that you have find very peculiar about that one thing? And there
Okay.
was one thing in the financial statement that they have done the reversal of provisions. So you have to tell them
Oh,
that you
wow.
that we have found that. Third, always work on your personality, the way you speak. There is no language barrier in interviews. If you are comfortable for a particular sentence that you are speaking in Hindi, they would allow that. But and I think you should also, because that would more refine articulation of yours,
मतलब
right?
बिंदास बोलने का.
बिंदास बोलने का कुछ उसमें डरने का. They are judging you on the basis of your knowledge, they are not judging you
Okay.
on the basis of your articulation. But if the big four, they would consider your communication skills,
Okay.
right? In industry
Basically,
there
you
is no
have to
such
be
part.
confident in anything.
Yes, there is no such
If our
part.
institute has given us degree, then we are worth of each and every penny. So we have to present ourselves.
Exactly.
And one
And
more thing,
fourth,
what you have done in 5 years, you just have 5 minutes to express. That is to be considered.
exactly.
So just
So go
speak.
through it.
Yes, go through it.
Go through it.
Yes.
Matlab, I after 5 months of break, if I were to write a CV, I would just go back in my articleship days, and
Yes.
I think मैंने तो शायद आधे महीना एक महीने की articleship भी वापस कर लिया था, वो सब कुछ रिवाइव करने के लिए कि जो मैंने किया है, so that I can speak with more confidence.
Okay.
ठीक
Great
है.
efforts.
Fourth was like, while making your resume, you don't need a consultant, or you don't need any agency to write up your
Okay.
resume.
No, but
Just
जैसे मैं अभी social media पे search कर रहा था, there are a lot of consultants यार who are saying that you should hire us, something like that. There is a lot of difference in this and that. You may not get, your chances will be higher. So, matlab, is it a myth, or if you can derive yourself, take your elders
yes,
help?
I think that is for those people who don't know how to write it. Means as a chartered accountant, and if you have basic knowledge of everything, you can write a very good resume just by copying and paste of another
Yes, yes,
resume,
yes.
that what he has written, what you have written, etc.
Means you have to
And
take
the
the layout of others and put your
exactly,
material into it. Okay.
and the only thing that helped is proofread it. Proofread your resume by almost 50 or 60 people. Send it to different people and just tell them that please
Okay.
point out my mistake. It
This
will
is a
just
new thing.
rectify your mistake to another level. And fifth and very important is, yes, that I told, make yourself a group. You should have given at least 3 or 4 interviews, 3 or 4 GDs before you're going for a final interview.
So
That
where
is the
where
most important thing.
where to go give those?
Means amongst yourself. Like while I was going for a campus, I had already selected for 2 or 3 companies, like in Grant Thornton, KPMG, and Deloitte. I have selected for that, and while I was giving that, I was working for Deloitte USI, so I got an offer from that only, which will boost up your campus. While you are selecting for an interview, you can negotiate more, you can ask for yourself, you can ask for the accommodations and everything in the interview. So that
Okay,
will
okay.
give you confidence, and it will just provide you balance कि आपको डर नहीं लगेगा अगर आप रिजेक्ट भी हो गए तो उसके अंदर.
Obviously.
So I think that is
Means
that was the
the
5
the
things.
more you go through each and everything, you will be filtered more. You will be grasping
Exactly.
more things and just be calm. And what about, like, we know that hundred of people are giving this interview. So how to keep our anxiety low? Means what to think of? Like when the virtuals were not happening, people were inside a big hall and they were just
Exactly.
peer peoples are also there. So they were inconfident during that. This is not a situation right now, but how to boost our confidence during, what do you suggest?
See, I think now the most important thing is a thought that you will be getting placed anyhow.
Okay.
I think that is the only thought which will boost up your campus. There is no CA, there is no chartered accountant which is unplaced right now. A person might struggle for 2 to 3 months, might struggle for the kind of job that he wants, but he will ultimately be placed, and he'll be ultimately earning more and earning a very handsome amount. Okay, so
But
we are
लेकिन
not taking into account the
तुमने
happiness.
जिस तरह की तैयारी करी है, like you again joined your firm for half month or 15 days, you were also telling me that on a call you were also telling me that you went to a Deloitte employee to
Yes,
just, means because you had your articleship in a mediocre firms, so you
yep,
did not have any experience of a Deloitte kind of thing. तो तुमने
exactly.
मेरे को बताया था कि मैं उस एम्प्लॉय पे गया था तो फील दैट थिंग, if the interviewer ask any question on that line which you have written in your resume. So basically you have to
Exactly.
live each and every line in your interview. Proof.
Exactly. Matlab, the each and every line should speak for itself. The resume should not be fake. Anything that
Okay.
you have written is like that must have been done by you.
And
So I think that is the thing.
what if you don't know anything, then what, means how to give that answer? You must be nervous,
So
or
I think,
what is that?
okay. So if you don't
This
know
is a
anything,
situation because you cannot give 10 on 10.
yep, I understand. But always just keep in mind, there are only limited areas that interview asks for. Means
Okay.
interviewer also has no, matlab interviewer also know a particular domain about chartered accountant. You
Hmm.
know the entire chartered accountancy course because you have just studied. So you can spare 1 day or 2 day in preparing for the same. But the interviewer might not spare to even spare a minute in looking what he has to ask for in the interview. So just remember you are on the better side. Secondly, always rely on past experiences. Like while I was preparing for Big Four, there are a set of similar questions that a Big Four normally ask and normally expect from a candidate.
Means
So I have
we can think of around 20 to 20 to 30, 40 questions which we can prepare upon, which there are chances they
exactly,
are
and
not.
they'll ask from that only. They'll ask from that only, but you have to mix your experiences into that things. Like
Okay.
when then while I was preparing for Deloitte USI, they have asked me about the concepts of materiality, substantive audit procedures, test of controls, etc. So we have all read it in essay 300 and 330 and the entire 300 series and essay 700 series. But we need to brush it up. Because if we are spending our time and wasting our time in reading 200 series and 500 series, we are just making no sense, because they are not going to
Basically, you
ask from
have
that.
to relate the theoretical portion with your practical life, which you had
Victor, practical
in
portion,
past.
that is the main thing.
Okay,
So you have
means
to
it is
rely
not
on
like
past
it is not
experiences.
like you just frame out in front of them. This is so and so. You must be relating to your practical life. That would be great.
True,
Okay.
true.
So, one more thing. What about grill? Do they really grill an interview? Any situation which you had during interview, or your friend must have told you anything about, like you were just thinking of stepping out. भाड़ में जाए इंटरव्यू हो गई देख लेंगे कुछ भी कर लेंगे. Is
But
it a situation they
I
try to make anytime?
yes, that was a situation once, but I think that would not, I would not call it a grill, because it didn't just make me very anxious that I have to leave this interview anyhow. It didn't make it like that. It just did that the more they grill, the more I was able to answer, and so that grill has converted the interview into a very good form, because I thought that I was going into a very right direction. Like while I
Okay.
was giving a Hero MotoCorp, they started to grill on a topic that have you read our annual report? So I said, yes, I have read your annual report. So what is the basic peculiar thing that you have find in our annual report? You have read the entire, what is our cash flow? What is our profit? So I didn't remember any of that. But out of the five questions, they have asked fifth question, what is the
Peculiar
peculiar
thing.
thing that you have noticed?
Okay. It
So
was
I
an
thought,
opportunity
yes,
to you.
yes. So I thought in the many of the financial statements, I have not seen any extraordinary activity happen. So in there, the reversal of provision happened. So I told them. So I think that was an impressive thing. They also know that a person might not be able to answer all the five questions. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
made through that round.
So, CV resume, you already talked about CV resume. Okay. And yes. This is an important question, I think. What mistake or blunder you did, which you think you must have not done on that time, and you are just regretting that thing.
Don't tell me. I'm still regretting it right now.
Okay.
Please,
What was
please
that?
put your internet. Please put your internet infrastructure on point. That is what I can say.
Okay.
While giving your virtual interviews, it can just lead a havoc in your life. It can just cost you one job. It can just cost you 6 to 7 lakh per annum of package.
Oh my God.
So that is the main thing. And second thing, one mistake which I did during my art during while I was starting my CA journey is not going to a regular college. So these were
Okay.
the two mistakes.
But generally, people do correspondence college, and they try not to go through regular colleges because principal on documents at ICI do not allow. This is known to everyone.
But exactly now, this difference you will find in campus. In
So, what is the
campus, I have
difference?
heard there's the difference is there. In campus, while you are filling the form of ICI, they have written that whether you have done regular college, whether you've done correspondence college, or whether you've done part-time college. So they have made a clear demarcation of the people. First thing. Second thing, some companies are like that. Even if you are a ranker, they would select a ranker plus a regular college. So
Okay.
if you will find a hierarchy of all the things that you are required for campuses, the creamiest companies would take those people who are ranker as well as who are from a regular college. I'm talking about just a shortlisting round. I'm not talking about personal interview, who they selected, and that depends upon your personal characteristic. But what your CV reflects is on the basis of the application that you filled in for the campus placement. So they would select like Mahindra and Mahindra company. So they have selected a person who was from a regular college and who was a ranker also. Cremica like Britannia company. There were the same criteria. So I think I have heard various people. I have known a
Can you
ranker
can you
who had
please tell the hierarchy of means which which do they prefer the most? Like AIR plus regular, AIR plus
yup in
correspondence.
shortlisting. Yes, in
Okay,
shortlisting, etc. Yes. First of all, of course, a ranker
of course.
plus regular college. Then a ranker with a correspondent college.
Okay.
Then the hierarchy will move to all the groups in first attempt plus a regular college.
Hierarchy will
Next,
move to
the
all the
hierarchy
groups
will,
means both groups. Acha,
yes, both
acha, all
groups,
the groups in first attempt
all the groups,
means
IPCC
your
as well as
wholesome
final.
journey.
Yes, the whole
Okay.
Samjhani. है ना? The whole groups plus regular college. Next, the hierarchy will move to your final group in first attempt plus a regular college. And in finals, if you have got a very good marks also, like in the PSUs generally prefer a person on the basis of their marks, like 62%, 63% in the CA final,
Okay.
etc.
Okay.
So they have made hierarchies like that. And the last persons who are there who have got multiple attempts, or yes, in this also, even if you have multiple attempts, you can still ace it up if you have done your articleship from a big four or a big five.
Okay.
So that is the whole thing, that is the whole hierarchy that I have found in my personal observation, that the companies while selecting the candidates follow.
Okay. So one important question I think is, suppose if मेरा expectation थी भाई 15 लाख 21 लाख कम से कम 12 लाख तो लग ही जाना चाहिए यार, लेकिन यार एंड में अगर मैं expectations meet नहीं कर पाता हूँ, suppose if they are offering 7 lakh 6 lakh which is happening right now, 6 lakh 7 lakh, so what should be my state of mind? Should I accept that offer or go ahead, or what is or should I thinking of accepting it right now and switching it later on after working for 3 to 4 months and still trying for any other firm or entity or any company? What do you say?
um so I think Weber,
Like
for answering,
if you were the person, you did not have the package of minimum 12 lakh and you were offered a single digit package. So now,
I think I would be disheartened at first.
hmm,
But after working for 6 to 7 months in a company, in this company, I have realized that it's just in starting. It's just the starting. People here, the job market is that wide that we don't know it at first. Like even if you start with your journey in just 7 to 8 lakh of package, in I think in any of a big, a reputed company, you will always end up getting your desired package at a desired time when you just need it. After you turn, I think 2 to 3 years in that company. So I think eventually we all get where we are, where we head to, right? So it's just the matter. Always prefer, if you are getting in the low range and if you are not satisfied with your package, always head up with your experience. That what is that you are experiencing in that job? Is it
means
something that is very unique to
I
you?
would say instead of sitting idle, you must join somewhere and you
Yes, you
should
must
try
join somewhere.
somewhere also if you are
Exactly.
not
I
liking
think
in that job.
I think even if you realize that this is not the job, this is not the job that I was looking for, and this is not a career option, I think you have made one tick to your list that yes, this is the profile I don't want to work in the future.
Okay.
And that is the most important thing. In the 6 to 7 years in the initiation of your journey, you must try different fields and you must try different arenas of work so that you find a particular work which you can continue till the rest of your life.
कुछ नहीं हुआ तो क्या
So
हुआ, तजुर्बा हुआ.
exactly यही, this is the only thing जो important है. मतलब I and you, mistakes होती रहती हैं यार, of course कोई इंसान perfect नहीं है.
One more
Campus is
thing,
like
like
so hectic.
people are switching their job just to get a hike in their salary or whatever. But my thing is that you should switch or move ahead when your learning has stopped and your payment has stopped. So to summarize, what are your final thoughts?
I think my final thoughts are that I think this is the most unique and the most beautiful journey of our career. We are like that the campus placement are never going to happen again in your entire life. Live each and every second of your campus with full energy, with full thing. The better you start, the better you get ahead in your career. So, and if you need anything, if you need any kind of support to me, connect with me with LinkedIn, connect
Okay.
me with anything. and I'll be honored to help you.
So I think campus placement is not the end. Campus placement is a means to your goal. It is not the end.
Exactly. It means to an end. Yeah.
So thank you guys. Thank you for joining
Thank you
us.
so
Please do
much.
like, share, and subscribe our channel.